We just installed the 2013 to 2018 Lexus IS RC Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen fits in either the IS or the RC, and we have completely changed the look and feel of this vehicle. I am in love with it now. This beautiful 10.25-inch touchscreen, powered by a top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor, is expertly designed to work with all of your factory features. This is the knob car. You can see here I'm rotating the knob through all of the apps. You can reach out and touch it, or you can simply use the knob to select an app. Here we are, and we can easily come back to the home screen here. I'll show you your backup camera will continue to work. Shifting into reverse brings up that original reverse camera. This was the small screen car from the factory. That's your original screen you're seeing right there. And coming back to park brings you right back to CarPlay. Of course, I can also use the steering wheel controls to move that volume up and down. Our system preserves every aspect of your factory system. You can see this is the menu button. It's the same whether on the knob or mouse version. Long holding this will bring you back to the original Lexus system. It's all right here. XM radio, FM radio, AM, navigation if you had it equipped from the factory. It's all right here. At Hamilton Motor Company, we can support every version of Lexus IS and RC. Of course, we have North Carolina-based tech support available at 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my teammates. I'll show you through CarPlay quickly here, and then I'm going to tell you about some other aspects of this system that make it so awesome. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, SiriusXM app, or otherwise, it will automatically appear here in CarPlay, and you'll be able to see all your large cover art. The same goes for maps. Whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise, Siri will read your directions here, and you can see this is so much better than factory nav.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Proceed to the route.
You're going to absolutely fall in love with your car all over again after you add CarPlay. One of the things that makes the Hamilton system so powerful, even more powerful than the newest vehicles on the market, is our underlying Hamilton operating system here. You can see that coming outside of CarPlay, the Hamilton system has 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a premium top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor. This allows you to load apps onto the Hamilton conversion kit that might not be available in CarPlay. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto the device. This gives you features that are stronger than even the newest vehicles on the market, and it's going to be an absolute game changer for you. We can easily push the menu button and come back to CarPlay. Many factories out there cannot afford to test their vehicles on American spec cars. They're developed in China, tested in China, and they never come to the States. They simply sell their products here. The downside of that is these cars are very similar between Asia and the USA, but they're slightly different. CAN bus is the protocol of how all these computers in the car talk to each other, and the Asian CAN bus can be slightly different than ours. If you haven't tested your unit as a manufacturer in the States, and you're selling it in the States, there might be small glitches and irregularities that you're not really noticing, and over time they can compound and cause glitches with the unit. Our products are all tested and developed here in Raleigh, North Carolina on American spec vehicles. Of course, for our international customers, we test in other markets. We test in Europe, Asia, America, and Australia. And we have a very detailed understanding of every Lexus system. We have working for us some of the very best engineers in the entire world for this. And this is a pretty niche industry, so it's not to say that we have the top-of-the-line engineers from Apple, but for our niche industry, we've been able to retain top talent to ensure that we're giving you the best products on the market. And we back it by customer service from folks who know how to install the units, who have done it before, and who are intimately familiar with these units. I'll tell you a few other differences about our systems. We use American spec Qualcomm chips. Cheaper companies, they'll buy the Chinese chips or they'll buy knockoff chips. The American spec chips work better in America, quite simply. They're better with connectivity here, and they have better features that are designed for the American markets, phones, pairing, stuff like that that's in the background. Cheaping out on your internal components is bad for your car, and it's bad for the user experience. Because we partner so intimately with our manufacturer, we're able to bring products to you at an awesome price while spending a lot more on the components that go into our systems to deliver you top value. We back all of this with the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It's a warranty that covers everything but accidental damage. Of course, if you ever break it accidentally, give us a call. We'll take care of you. And you can access our customer service team should anything go wrong. You can email us at support@hamiltonmotorcompany.com. You can also call us at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my team members. Once again, I'm Dave. We're fired up about this Lexus. I hope you are also, and we'll see you in the next video.